So hey guys, hello there once again. Welcome back to our channel AR2 Shagun. This is your friend Shagun, and here I am with a new product and new video for all of you guys. So basically, today I'm going to come on to the point, and this video is all about few of the products that I bought from Amazon. So the very first product is here, this one. I'm just putting the photo of this image onto the screen and the price also. Basically, let me clear this that I bought it earlier and finally I got it today just right now, and I am ready to show you guys that what they are actually and how they look. So first of all, I'm going to open this Camlin Fluid Art Color. So this is the Aqua series and you all might be able to see its packaging. Let me so there are 4 shades. The shades are mentioned here, and this is a DIY kit, and we are going to get number of things in this pack. So let me turn this pack and show you the things written on here. So here are the things written on this side, and then there are few more things written here. So yes, so these are the things written over here. So yes, and this is the front side. So it's time to open this, that what are the things we are going to get inside it. So here it is. You all might be able to see this. There is a ziploc pack. So I am going to tear this first and open the product. So let me show you that how it works. So guys, yes, यहाँ पे मेरा सारा प्रोडक्ट हुआ है, रखा हुआ है. So yes, it's time to open this zip. It's not okay, it's too tight, and the packaging is really good, guys. I loved it. Nothing is going to come out of this place. So let me take out the things that what are we getting inside it. So here it is. So yes guys, here are the things that we are getting inside it. So the very first thing is this fluid acrylic colors. Okay, you can take a look of this. There are 4 different shades. The first one is light blue, turquoise blue, white, and I think this will be Persian blue. Yes, of course, this is the Persian blue, and we are getting these 4 colors in this pack. And you can go for other series also, like they have the sunset series and monochromatic series, but I bought this aqua series, I think so. So yeah, I bought this aqua series, and now it's time to show you guys that what are the other things that we are going to get inside it. So this is a apron that we are going to get inside it, and it's like that regular plastic sheet, I think so. We are going to get this into the plastic sheet. So yeah, you can use it. I think this is something that is must for pouring techniques, under these acrylic pour technique. I think this is the must thing. So yes, and next we are going to get this. This is a canvas of, I think, let me just see the pack. I think it will be 8 by 8 in the size. After watching, I can say this only, and I think it will be mentioned somewhere. Okay, it's not okay, yeah, it's mentioned here. So it's 8 by 8. Actually it says it's 20 by 20 centimeters. So yeah, and let me open this canvas and show you the quality also. Why my scissors is not working today properly, guys? With the canvas, I'll show you the canvas. So it's like the same as those of 100% cotton. So yes, let this leftover piece out. So yes, here is the canvas, and the quality is really great. You all might be able to see this. See the quality of this canvas paper. Are you getting this? The thickness is here in front of you guys. Every single thing is like wow. I love the canvas. I like the color shades also, and now it's time to test them out. So yes, time to test them, how they work, how the things are. So without any further delay, let me start and show you that how these product works. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. So guys, मैं आपको बस एक चीज़ बताना भूल गई, that we need not to add anything in these colors. Like ये हमें पहले से ही pouring consistency में मिले हुए हैं. We need not to add any kind of silicone gel or those like glue mixture with the color. हमें इन्हें सिर्फ normally use करना. We have to just put it in our cup, and then we have to start pouring this to our canvas. So yes, let's get back into the video and start watching that how we have to create the art piece. So what are we waiting for? Let's get to the video. So guys, here it is. Basically I was just shooting the video with another camera and finally the thing has completed. I just spreaded this paper wrapping sheet over here ताकि मेरा कोई surface गंदा ना हो. So yes, and here is the final effect. You all might be able to see it. And guys, मेरे ख्याल से white color went a bit wrong and वो उतने अच्छे से यहाँ पे मुझे दिख नहीं रहा, but still you might be able to see white color at few of the places. तो मुझे ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. Now it's time to show you the final products. What are we waiting for? Now it's time to let it dry for 24 hours and after 24 hours I'm going to show you कि ये कैसा दिखता है. So let's meet after 24 hours. So yes guys, finally here I am back with the final product after 24 hours. So as you have seen the complete process that how I created it, and basically guys मुझे आपसे एक बात share करनी थी. That was, you would have seen this cup from where I was just pouring all the colors. So I just painted it all with the leftover color that was like all around the surface. So I used it to cover up those things, and now I want to share this thing that in between of the video you would have seen I have written something like you can use the second batch. So at that point I found that जो color है वो सही से spread नहीं हो रहा है, and then I created another batch of all those colors and then I poured it on the side. आपने वो देखा ही होगा. So that is how you can also go with these things. And yes, ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा option था. So I thought I must have did it. सो या एंड अगर आपका भी कलर इस बीच में ख़त्म हो जाता है और आपका वो स्प्रेड नहीं हो पाता है सही से, देन डोंट फेयर अबाउट इट, बिकॉज आप उसको फिर से लाइक अनदर बैच के साथ उसको कंबाइन कर सकते हैं एंड यू विल गेट समथिंग रियली क्रेजी. सो या एंड दिस वॉज द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम आई वॉज डूइंग ऑल दिस टेक्निक. सो आई लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग like in these 24 hours I did number of things that went wrong, like I touched here and the things went wrong a bit, and I also touched here. Like it was like I was so excited to see the things that how they are going and how they are coming up. So yeah, and I messed up a bit here also, but in the last the product that came in front of me is like wow, I'm super happy with the thing and the the blending and the every single thing, the every single color, that how beautiful it just came. You all might be able to see this. And guys, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा because you don't know what you are going to get in your final product. Basically the people who are like expert in pouring techniques, they basically know that what they are going to get in the end, but I was a non pouring background artist for this project. So yeah, that's the reason इसमें थोड़े से कुछ defects हुए, but still the final product that just came in front of me is like wow, it's like that marble effect for me basically. So yeah, and आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं still not dried completely, but still it's not too liquidy that it would come out in my hand. So yeah, and let me just do this thing. So yeah, nothing is in my hands, and let me clear this that I have to varnish this. I have to provide a layer of varnish over it, and if you want to buy that also you will get in. So yeah, this was all about this, and guys, I hope that you all would have enjoyed it. I basically just loved creating this complete project. This was really great thing for me. It came out really good, and the canvas is also so good, guys. It just absorbed the color perfectly. Only few places are left to get absorbed, and otherwise the canvas went really great. great for me. And yeah, this was all about the product. I just loved it. My first experience went really crazy. I was so excited, had a lot of experience. And yes, I want to tell you one more thing, that please don't forget to cover up these corners of the canvas, because it looks very unprofessional when you put it and the white spaces are left on this side. So yeah, please try to cover up all those things with the brush only. It could be done with brush or while just spreading all this. So yeah, this was all, and I hope that you all would have enjoyed this video. This was all about this video, and the product link is in the description box. So yeah, this was all about this video. Hope you all would have enjoyed it, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.